online on-demand trainings on the Missouri Workshop calendar. Okay, so in this video we are going to take a look at the online on-demand tab and what all is included with that. So when you're looking at the front side of the Missouri Workshop calendar, you will see the blue tabs up here at the top. We're going to go over to the fourth one that says Online On Demand. And if we click on that, you will see this screen pop up. Okay, so what our online on-demand trainings are sessions that are offered 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can take them anywhere, at any location that has internet access. So then there's two different types of online on-demand trainings within this list. In section A, as you'll see right here, it's the top section of the online on-demand trainings. All of these organizations have a data exchange set up with Open Initiative. So all of their data gets sent directly over to Open on their schedule. So if you take one of these courses, you'll plug in your information, and once you're completed with the training, you don't have to take any further steps. But when we scroll down to section B, right here, okay, so the trainings under section B are trainings that do not have a data exchange set up with Open. So what needs to happen once you've completed one of the sessions below, in section B, you will have to upload your certificate for that training. So once you have your certificate, what you'll need to do is right here above section B, it says to upload your certificate of training. Please click here. So we're going to click here. Okay, and then this screen will pop up, your user certification. So the first step to submit your certificate is right here. Session taken. We'll need to select whatever session it was that you took. So let's say that it was the Child Care Subsidy Orientation. All right, and then we will input the date that we took the training. Okay, and then whatever your MOPD ID is, you will do that here. So let's say, okay, and once you've inputted your MOPD ID, we need to verify that MOPD ID. So we'll click verify, and then your name will come up, and then you will input your email as well here. And then to actually attach that certificate to this information, we will choose File, locate the certificate, and that will upload the certificate here. And then once all that information is inputted, we will just hit Submit Certification, and then your part in the process is completed. And then once a week, Missouri Workshop Calendar has a data exchange with the Open Initiative, and that data, this data here, with the uploaded certificates, gets sent over once a week with all the rest of our data. All right, thank you very much for your time, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.